Affiliate marketing, top tips that'll help you succeed. You have always wanted to find out about, or possibly enhance your current knowledge of affiliate marketing and have scoured the internet for information to help you. The tips and tricks we provide in this video, when followed as suggested, should help you to either improve on what you have already done or help you start off well. If you have a website for your business, your domain name should be on everything that you own. Use your own personal vehicle, t-shirts, stationery, email signature and more, to constantly put the name of your website out there. Constant reminders will stick in people's heads and make them want to look it up. Catering directly to a product's market is the best way an affiliate can make a sale. Since affiliates work off of sales commissions, there is an inclination to try to market the product to as large an audience as possible, but this is a failing formula. Stick with the niche market and promote the product strongly. Add content that your readers want along with your affiliate links. If you provide reasons for your audience to click on your links, you will find much better success. If you just type a list of baby items you like with links, you'll receive much less response than if you type reviews and why you love these items. Research all of the available options before committing to linking to a product. Once learning the best places to place affiliate links, you should see profits roll in. To summarize, there is quite a bit to learn about affiliate marketing. Do not be overwhelmed though, because there is a lot to take in. Depending on your situation, either your continued success or the start of a new challenge is dependent solely on your willingness to learn and also the personal commitment that you invest. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.